Whether you have been using Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Fish Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to this app and you want to message seller, you find it difficult, this video is going to explain everything to you on how you can message or chat seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Before you can pay for any item on Xianyu, it is always advisable that you reach out to them, discuss everything to them, price and all that with the seller before you can go ahead and pay for any goods. I'm going to demonstrate with you live right here and see how you can simply message the seller. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this particular phone right here. This is 7 Pro right here. Just go ahead and click on the product link. And then it's going to open up like so. Now we want to contact this seller right here and ask details about the product right here. So we scroll down right here and check on the product picture. This is Xiaomi and Xiaomi 13 Android phone, just like so. Okay, you can see everything about this particular phone right here. But still, yes, we need to make sure we contact them and ask them 1 or 2 things. So for that, go ahead and click on here to proceed to chat, to talk to the seller, and here it's going to open up like so. Then one thing you need to do right here is to make sure you communicate with them in Chinese. This is very much important. Okay, now before you can communicate with them in Chinese, for everyone using Android phone, there is an important app you need to download and install on your Android phone. So let me quickly exit from here and show you the app. Open up your Play Store right here. Open up your Play Store. Then have you open up your Play Store, click on search, and then go ahead and click on search app and make sure you look for Gboard. So if you are using it already on your phone, there is no need of you download it. Then it's going to open up like so. Then make sure you download and install this particular Google keyboard right here. This keyboard is being used by 10 billion plus people in the world. So after a successful download and install it, just do a proper setup and make sure you change your phone keyboard to this G keyboard right here. Once you switch your keyboard to this G keyboard, then you can come back right here to your Xianyu app. Then go ahead and click on here. Once you click on that, then from the G keyboard right here, you are going to see Google Translate icon. Simply tap on Google Translate icon, and this is going to pump up right here. Choose your primary language right here. So by default, I'm using English language right here. So if you are not an English spoken person, go ahead and select whatever language you understand right here. Okay. Once you choose your primary language right here, then your translation language should be in Chinese. Let's go back right here. Then your translation language should be Chinese simplified, just like so. Then you can type. So I'm going to simply type in hello, my friend. Then it's automatically convert to Chinese character, then hit on send, just like so. Then you can see this is an auto respond right here. Okay, now for you to translate, I know it might be a bit difficult, but still yet there is a way out to this. So what you need to do here is to make use of Google Translate in this category. Just take a screenshot. So once you take a screenshot, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, so I'm going to exit from here. So if you are using Android phone or iPhone, provided that you have Chrome browser, just click on your Chrome browser. Then when you open up your Chrome browser, simply click on this camera icon. Then select the screenshot. Then choose translate. Boom, and you have your translated right here. You can see this mode is only available once, so don't miss out. Feel free to place your order if you like it. and it is not taking off the Chevy, it is blah blah blah. This is just a response from the seller. You can see my message right here. Hello friend. Now here you can as well choose different language. So this one here, detected language should be Chinese right here. So detected language should be Chinese. In some cases, just choose Chinese and it automatically translates it into English language. So if you are not English spoke person, click on English right here, then choose your understanding language from all this available language right here. And that is how to translate the response from the seller. Let's go back to Xianyu right here. And then we come back to chat, click on here to drop a message for the seller. So I'm going to turn on the Google Translate again. Can you please tell if this phone is a new one or used phone? Just like so, and hit on send. So you can literally ask any types of question based on a particular item, just like what you see right here. Okay, then you can ask about the price or accessory. Can you please tell me the accessory you are sending me if I order this phone? And then hit on send, just like so. So once if they are not available, as soon as they are available, you will definitely see the seller response right here. Then from here, you can proceed to your chat with them. After you are able to conclude and everything, then you can go ahead and place your order from the supplier in Xianyu. It's that simple. This is how to simply message seller on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or you want me to pay your supplier on Xianyu Chinese shopping app, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.